Hey, Dad.
Hey there, Tiger. How was the learning pod?
It was cool. We learned about these groups they had in the olden days called labor unions.
Shush, 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 shush. Keep your voice down there, Sonny Jim. You never know who's listening.
They told us in Learning Pod that unions only existed so workers had a fair method of negotiating.
No, that's not true, son. Unions were banned because we couldn't afford them, and society is better off for it.
But we have money for space prisons.
Well, that's accommodation for the non-rich, son. Don't be so selfish.
So now we just have prisons and no unions? What's good about that?
Well, maybe next time some punk tries to take your space wallet you call a labor union and see where that gets you.
That doesn't really make any sense.
Well, son, unions, they had their day. They're like the dinosaurs or ice hockey. But we couldn't have special interests like flight attendants delaying air travel. That would only be good if we had to go visit your aunt.
I like Aunt Rose.
Well, I don't, son. She's the bane of my existence. And let us never mention your mother's family again.
Okay, Dad.
Okay there, Tiger. Why don't you make your old man another gin and space juice?
The Conservative Party of Canada. In space, no one can hear you strike.